word-by-word picture dictionary, 2nd edition, by Stephen J. Malinsky and Bill Bliss.
Page 8. Prepositions. Listen and practice the words.
Above, above. Below, below. In front of, in front of. Behind, behind. Next to, next to. On, on. Under, under. To the left of, to the left of. To the right of, to the right of. In, in. Between, between.
Page 8. Model conversations. Listen and practice the first conversation.
Where's the clock?
The clock is above the bulletin board.
Now listen and practice the second conversation.
Where's the dictionary?
The dictionary is between the globe and the pencil sharpener.